Nestled in the historic town of Vasai, India, stands Our Lady of Grace Cathedral, a symbol of Christian resilience and communal harmony. Built by Jesuit missionaries in 1565, this cathedral was the second parish established outside the Vasai fort, following the Church of St. Thomas the Apostle. It reflects the unity of diverse communities, Christians, Hindus and Muslims who supported its foundation. Despite facing significant challenges, including the Maratha invasion in 1739, which led to its reconstruction in 1864, the cathedral has endured as a pivotal landmark in Vasai's cultural and religious landscape. Today, the cathedral is undergoing a meticulous restoration to preserve its architectural and historical integrity. The restoration process began with the Corinthian columns, where missing plaster and deteriorated paint were carefully documented and recreated using lime plaster, preserving the intricate details and historical authenticity. The Portuguese doorway, made from mallard basalt stone, faced deterioration as well. Craftsmen repaired the twisted arch with lime plaster to restore its structural and aesthetic appeal. Inside the cathedral, significant updates include the replacement of aluminium window frames with traditional Burma teakwood frames and checkered glass, enhancing both functionality and historical accuracy. The nave now features luxurious Portuguese tiles and stone marble dado tiles, while the crown molding highlights the cathedral's grandeur. The sanctuary roof received extensive restoration with reinforced trusses, and the false ceilings were meticulously restored to their original splendor. The roofing system was upgraded with Mangalore tiles to ensure durability and effective water management. This thoughtful approach maintains the cathedral's traditional aesthetic while addressing modern needs. The restoration project, undertaken with the support of the Krupa Mata Cathedral Committee, Ainsley Lewis Architects and Savani Heritage Conservation Pvt Limited, represents a profound effort to safeguard this historic gem. The revitalized Our Lady of Grace Cathedral stands as a testament to enduring faith and cultural heritage, embodying both historical significance and renewed beauty.